Hello class, this is Mr. Chang. So I like to take this time to go over the quiz and also cover the last page of note that we didn't do. Tomorrow will be your diploma mock exam. We don't have time to review, that's why I don't think you'll be ready for the mock, but use it as a diagnostic tool. So come in, try your best, and after the mock, we can look at the area of weakness that you need to spend more time on. Okay, so anyway, let's go through the quiz so that you can learn from this. First, number one, what's 6 factorial? So you just multiply them all together or use the button in your calculator, and here's your answer. And number two, so same, just put that in your calculator. So I think these are very straightforward, so you can just put it in your calculator. Make sure you know where's the button. I'll go over the one that we need to apply our combination and permutation knowledge. Okay, so let's try number four. So you have 14 students, and then you can only bring 9 of them. Here, first thing you ask yourself, does the order matter? Okay, the 9 people you bring, does it matter if you pick A, B, C, D or like D, C, B, A, A? Is it different arrangement or it's the same group of people? So after you think about it, you just need to pick 9 people. So the order doesn't matter. So the answer will be 14 people, you choose 9. And then that will be your answer for this question. Okay, let's try next one. You want to arrange this word parallelogram, and then you want to put all the L's together. Okay, so that you can look at the L's together as just one tile. They have to be together, and between them, there's no other arrangement. It's always L, L, L. So there's one thing you need to arrange. So you can cross this out, and then you just count how many of them are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including this one. You have 11 objects to arrange. So the answer is 11 factorial. However, some of the objects are the same. So you have two A's. Oh, three A's. So you divide by 3a's, 3 factorial. And then you have 2 r's. So you divide by 2 factorial. Okay, so that will be the answer for this question. And then this one, let's see. Now it's a lot of numbers here. So you have 4 grade 10 students, right? These are the number. These just describe who they are. 2 grade 11, 6 grade 12. And then this is the committee. And now this year you have 12 people apply in grade 10, 8 people apply, and 10 people apply. So how many ways you can choose the committee? Again, committee question, if there's no specific position that you assign to those students, it's just a combination questions. Okay, in here, you just look at the grade 10, you have 12 grade 10, you need to choose 4 of them. And then you have 8 grade 11, you need to choose 2 of them. And then you have 10 grade 12, you need to choose 6 of them. So put this three combination number in a calculator and then multiply them because the committee include grade 10 and grade 11 and grade 12. When you say and, you multiply. All right, let's move on. Now it's a short answer. This one, you have 21 sandwich to choose from, 3 types of cheese, vegetable, and sauce. So when you make an order, you have 4 tasks to do. First, 21 way to choose the sandwiches, 3 way to choose the cheese, 8 way to choose this vegetable, and 7 way to have the sauce. Just multiply them together. This is your answer. Okay. So like I won't like spend time finding it, putting in the calculator. You just figure that out. Okay, this one, okay, is the block question. Okay, so 6 block east, 6 block north. Was there a picture there? There was a picture there, right? Okay, anyway, so to go from the school to home, you have to make 12, you need to cross 12 blocks. 6 of them are eastward moving, and then 6 of them are northward moving. So that will be the answer. Okay. All right, let's look at number 3. 5 digit. Okay, we could say we cross that out. Okay, we change the question to this. So 5 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the first one cannot be 0, and no digit can be repeats. Okay, so none of them can repeat. You have 8 digit to choose from. Well, so there's no 0 anyway. So the first, and then you can only have it greater than 50,000, which means the first digit have to be bigger than 5. bigger than or equal to 5. If you start with 5 something, it's bigger than 50,000. So there are only 4 choices, okay, for bigger than 5. After that, you can use any letter, but not repeating that one. So instead of having 8 choices, you're down to 7 choices. And then here down to 6 choices, and 5 choices, and 4. Okay? So that will be the answer. When you think about this question, you always have the one with restriction. If the one with restriction is in the middle or in the last, you start with that. Okay, question number 4. In the last question. Okay, a choir has 17 female and 13 male, so 30 people wish to meet 6 of them to discuss upcoming production. How many combinations are there? Didn't specify boy or female, so 30 people just meet with any 6 of them. That's it. Okay, it's a combination question. How about at least one female, one male? At least. All right. So at least one female, which means it will have 5 other male. At least one female, let's say 2 female, then you have 4 male, 3 female, 4 female, 5 female. But you can't have 6 because you need at least one male. So here we go. You have 5 cases. All right. Then you just add up all the cases. And then you have 17 female, choose 1. 13 male, choose 5 here. 17 female, choose 2. 13 female, choose 4. 17 female, choose 3. 13 female, choose 3. And so on. You get the idea. Are there another way to do it? Yes, there's another way to do it which is shorter. Okay, so these are all the cases. What's the complement? What's the opposite of this? Here you have at least one female, one male, right? The opposite of that is you either have all female or you have all male. That's the opposite. Any other combination will fall between here, any of them. But then if you have all male, all female, then it won't. So the way to do it is you can first do the combination of any, right? This is a combination of any committee. You take away the combination of all female, which is 17C6, and then take away the combination of all male. So this will give you the same answer as that, and it's shorter, okay? So either way will work. Finally, one of the male students is called AJ. How many 6-member consisting AJ, 2 other males, and 3 females are possible? First, there's only one AJ. You choose one AJ, right? So there's only one, a unique person, and then you choose that one. And then now it's left with 12 male. You choose 2 of them, and you still have 7 females standing there, and then you choose 3 of them. Okay, so here is the 13 male, but you take out AJ because you have to choose him. So there's only one AJ to choose from. So that's how you put this together. Okay, good. Now I want to spend the time to discuss, finish the note, okay, that we have, which is